Ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing customer service? The traditional methods of customer service, with their long wait times and frustrating phone menus, are fast becoming a thing of the past. The future lies in chatbots and automation. Imagine this. You have a problem with a product you've recently purchased. In the past, you'd call a helpline, wait in line, and then, if you were lucky, speak to a customer service representative who may or may not be able to resolve your issue. Now, imagine a different scenario. You open your phone, type out your problem, and get an instant, accurate response. No waiting, no frustration, just quick, efficient service. This is the power of chatbots. Chatbots are intelligent virtual assistants designed to simulate human conversation. They're available around the clock and can instantly respond to customer inquiries, providing helpful solutions and even making recommendations. They're capable of juggling multiple customer interactions at the same time, greatly improving response times and overall customer experience. But it doesn't stop there. Enter automation. It integrates these chatbots into various communication channels, including social media, messaging apps, and websites. This integration allows customers to engage with businesses on their preferred platform without navigating complex systems. It's all about making customer service more accessible and convenient. Think about the level of personalization this technology offers. A virtual assistant that remembers your preferences, recalls your previous interactions, and understands your needs. This isn't just customer service, it's customer service tailored to you. The rise of chatbots and automation is changing the face of customer service. Businesses can now offer faster, more efficient service tailored to the individual needs of their customers. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated chatbots capable of understanding natural language, emotions, and context. So wave goodbye to the old, frustrating methods of customer service and say hello to the future. A future where chatbots and automation are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the latest trends and innovations. Thanks for watching. Remember, the future is here, and it's automated.